Hey everyone, if your HP Victus 16 won't power on or is acting dead, don't panic. Most power issues can be fixed with a few smart checks. Start with a hard reset, because this alone fixes a huge number of problems. Unplug the charger, and if your model allows it, remove the battery. Now press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds to drain leftover electrical charge. After that, reconnect the charger and try powering it on. If nothing happens, check the power adapter carefully. The Victus 16 needs a 200-watt HP charger. Anything weaker can stop it from turning on or charging. Inspect the cable and connector for fraying or bends. A blinking orange power light usually points to a charging, battery, or internal power issue. Software can also be the culprit. Recent Windows 11 or NVIDIA driver updates have caused startup failures, so rolling back to a stable driver version may help. If the laptop still won't boot, move to advanced checks. Enter the BIOS using ESC or F2, confirm UEFI boot mode is enabled, and verify the boot order. Run HP hardware diagnostics to test the battery, motherboard, and power system. For battery problems, perform calibration by fully draining the battery and charging it to 100% without interruption, repeating this 2 or 3 times. Random shutdowns during gaming usually signal overheating or hardware sensor faults, which may require professional repair.